Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting 3 colors with clear rolls. This reduces decision friction. Once chosen, grab a pen, highlighter, and a stack of 1/3 or 2/3 size sticky notes so they fit margins. Then, open a single chapter and set a 25-minute timer. This creates urgency and focus. As soon as the timer starts, write one concise headline on a sticky, define the concept, or pose a question. Stick it to the page edge. This gets you moving immediately and builds momentum. Once you have several stickies, organize them by topic and importance so retrieval is faster. You should write a definition on the front, a short example or formula in the middle, and the page number or lecture timestamp at the bottom for quick reference. Make mini-problems on the reverse side and attempt them. This strengthens encoding. Then cluster similar stickies on a board or in your notebook margins, labeling each cluster with its color header to create a visible study map you can scan in seconds. You finish by scheduling spaced reviews. Check stickies after 1 day, 3 days, then 1 week to cement memory. Make sure to move active stickies forward and archive ones you've mastered. This keeps your study field uncluttered. After 3 review cycles, synthesize clusters into condensed summary sheets or durable flashcards for exam prep. If you ever feel overwhelmed, prune by selecting the top 10 high-impact stickies. Focus there. A key troubleshooting tip. If notes pile up, immediately sort into keep, revise, or discard piles to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.